How long have you two wonderkinds been perfecting the art of interpretive dance?
I haven't really thought about this, but probably
5?
5 years.
Maybe.
6 years?
Well, you count your mother's birthday, Halloween, Easter.
Could be
5.
8 years.
I don't.
8 years.
You know, I usually go by rings around my toes with this kind of thing, just being a dancer, which is what we are.
It's usually a good indicator.
You know, we're not dentists. We're not performing oral surgery or putting on a new bridge.
Right. This is like
we're dancing,
work, and our bodies take a beating.
Do it. Do it for real. Don't hold back. I want to feel it.
Sometimes, you know, it feels like a lifetime. You know, we just.
But we're fresh.
Right. Yeah.
You know,
it's still fresh. It's still fresh.
Like produce, you know.
Right.
Lettuce.
Yeah.
Doesn't ever die.
What exactly was the infamous burger rehearsal incident? As the French would say, l'incident d'argent burger.
Do you remember that? I don't remember that.
Drawing a blank.
Yeah. You mean the drive-through guy messed up the order on the
Yeah.
No. The incident in which Dicky almost lost his life.
burger. Right. So another typical.
Yeah, I choked, okay? Is that what you want to hear? Oh!
What was your mother's favorite curse word?
Goddamn Danish. Especially on Sundays. My mom would usually say things like, fucking TV set full of mundane glances. You know, a poisonous sweater of weathered regret. If a bitch has 2 heads, feed it one dinner and the other give it a cold. You know?
Really? I didn't know that.
May you lay in a bed full of poisonous vipers that suck the venom from your privates.
My mother never swore.
So fascinated was I by how their feet made music visual, I left them a camera, so that we may be a fly on their great wall of Jean-Luc Picard-like training.
Warm-ups!
Yeah, this is another warm-up technique that we're going to show you. You ready?
Yes.
All right, onward.
Say advertise for Christmas, advertise for Christmas.
Okay, this is just a day in the life. One more training session.
It's all part of the discipline. You do it barefoot, and you do it fast. You learn something about yourself. You learn that it's cold as anything. It teaches you how to dance and be quick on your feet. I learned this in Manchuria, in the hills of the Himalayas, from a team of frostbitten monks. I incorporate it into most of my routines. Walking down the stairs to get something from the basement, I'm walking down the stairs. Didn't find anything in the basement. Swimming across an icy lake, an icy lake, an icy lake.
How did each of you feel after performing this singular work of dance interpretive art?
That was pretty I was pretty high in life at that point.
Prejudice.
Prejudice.
That's the word that comes to mind. Great amount of prejudice towards other dancers. Because, you know, at the end of the day, they can't fit in the same class
see,
as me and Prairie Dog.
He goes off,
Prairie
I
Dog,
don't even know where
Jumpstreet.
he's going, and then boom, right there.
Prairie Dog, Jumpstreet, and Dicky Prancer. We're calling it out. You've seen the design. You see the tattoo. This doesn't mean anything in English. But you go to Manchuria and it says one half of the best dance fucking team in the world.
Yeah.
It's like we're Siamese twins. You know,
but there's always a surprise.
Always a surprise. Siamese twins at birth. Grew up in 2 separate continents. You know, we meet one day at a train somewhere in Vienna. And, you know, exchange strange, ominous glances, recognizing something within ourselves, and next thing we know, we're having...
We just knew. I
think
cappuccino. Remember there was that music that was playing?
Oh, what was it? What was the name of that waiter? Jean-Luc.
Jean-Luc.
Oh,
someone was French name.
That was quite a...
But that music was playing, and we just knew, like we were just snapping our fingers or bobbing our head or whatever, and we saw...
Across the room.
That we were right on beat. Right on beat.
I just broken up with Janine. You were still seeing Trixie?
Trixie, yeah, Trixie. Who I still see occasionally, but
not as good as she was.
No.
We could keep going. We're like 2 telephones.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hi!
Hey! What's up, man?
Oh, nothing.
Let me put more change in.
Oh, ka-ching!
Ka-ching! Beep, boop, beep. What's up?
Stop.
Keep going, You're great.
You know, I'm extending this invite to the whole world. Come dance with us.
Come on.
Come dance with us.
Bring your shoes. Your tutus.
We can solve a lot. Just come dance.
Your Perry.
Listen to music.
Bring little reindeer feet. We're going to show you where the venison is. It's going to be you. If you're not down with us, you're on the cusp of war.
It's true.
Like jumping off a bridge naked into shallow water. And just when you think the impact's over, no. There's more. There's more. There's a train coming right at you. Because the train fell into the river. There's a bomb on the tracks. And now you've got a train in the river just that you jumped into.
Huh.
And that's just the beginning of what me and Prairie Dog go through. Like a Christmas cup in the cabinet of our souls. You can't drink from it.
Can't touch it.
It's there for decoration.
Can't touch this. It's like hammer time.
It's vanilla ice.
No.
Robert Van Winkle.
Stop.
Okay. Collaborate and listen.
See?
Ice is checking out.
I'm gonna prepare
That something grabs a hold of me tightly.
This is
Flows like a harpoon.
Just happens.
Daily and night. That's poetry, man.
Yeah.
WS.
We should do a routine to that. You know?
It's coming, people. Y'all been warned.
See, it just flows.
Grab your Glocks.
Never stops. Dicky.
Prairie Dog Jumpstreet. You want it? Come down. We'll give you a phone number. Don't forward your mail.